Alright guys, we're doing a Djm suspension 4.6 drop on this. Well, we'll see if it works. This is a 4x4 and this is for a 2-wheel drive, so we'll see. Hopefully the flip kit fits. Alright, so look, this is a flip kit but the truck is a 2500. So the rear end is thicker. Hold on, let me see if I get it. Alright, like the rear end is like bigger, it's like thicker. It's a 2500. You can tell by the leaf print. So we'll see if this flip kit will work. If not, we'll have to return the whole thing. Cause maybe that might not even work. Cause it says it's a 4-inch drop, but I looked and got scammed. I thought it was a 4-inch drop, but it's just a lower control arm. It should work, right? Alright, we'll see. Alright, we're gonna unbox it. Like my pop's gonna unbox it.
Alright guys, so we got a flip kit from Djm Suspension. This is the second truck we're gonna do, so hopefully it should be a little bit quicker. We had tried lowering the back, but I guess the other flip kit that we had was for the axle, and then this one right here is for the leaf spring. So hopefully this one should work. If not, I mean, this is like the second time we've spent like $300 on a flip kit. So you got your U-bolts. The last U-bolts were too tiny and they wouldn't fit over the axle, so that's why we had to look for another brand.
But then again, we tripped out. We bought like the Amazon one, like the cheap one.
We cheaped out. We're like, fuck that. You know, we're not gonna spend another, what is it, like $300 maybe?
250. It was 250 with shipping. 255, I think.
Yeah,
255 with shipping.
You got your hardware right here. Yeah, so we're like, fuck it, you know, we'll just buy this one. We already bought it once, so we know if it works. There you go. This goes on top of your leaf spring. No, on top of your axle. There you go. One for one side. And then,
cut. The little Mario. It didn't turn on. Oh, there.
There you go. All right, guys. Technical difficulties, but this goes on the bottom.
What the fuck is that? Oh, yes, the bottom.
This goes on top, and then the U-bolts go. I forgot how, but the U-bolts go under here somewhere. Let's keep unboxing. Maybe I'll remember. So, oh yeah, there you go. These guys. This guy goes on top, and then this guy goes on bottom, and then from the side.
We'll figure it out right now.
We'll figure it out.
Alright, keep unboxing. We'll figure it out.
It's been a minute, not gonna lie. So,
yeah, we never posted that video.
It's been a year, I think, but
yeah, look, this guy's first video right here. This build.
We've been recording. This is like the third truck, but this one's gonna go on YouTube for sure.
Yeah.
We got two of those. And then you got your C-notch.
Bolt-on C-notch.
The bolt-on C-notch. And then, yeah. Let's see. Two of them. One for the left, one for the right. And then you got your shock extenders. Yeah, just because when you lower it, the shock expansion isn't that great, so. And then more hardware. A lot of hardware. And then you got your last side, which goes right here. So there you go, guys. For $250, I mean, you get a good amount of stuff. Yeah. We're gonna take off the bed right now and get to it.
Alright, look, the U-bolts, these bitches didn't fit. Well, they did fit, but they weren't long enough, so it it will work on a 2500. You just need U-bolts. We got it at our local, like, how would you say it, Manny?
Drive shaft shop.
I don't know, it was like a dry shaft shop, but we seen that they had U-bolts. That's where we got our dry shaft done, shortened. And we seen that it had U-bolts, and we went to go check, and yeah, they made it on the spot. Shout out, they were like $14 each. And now it fits. Yeah, it looks cool. It just came out of work. My boss got it done. Flipped. Oh yeah, we just need to do the little C nuts. Oh yeah, so if you guys want to do a Djm Flip Kit 4.6, it fits. You just need the U-bolts.
Longer U-bolts.
Oh yeah, you could tell it lowered. And then my boss got me right with the little bumper. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You guys remember it was all wobbly. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Biggest drop. I don't know, you can't really tell. Or maybe.
From one clip to another one, you can see it, but for us, it's pretty low. It's just like
you can see it, it's like squatted. Yeah, 4x4. Now we're gonna do the front next. The badge back on, like, sheesh. 4.6 drop, Djm. Oh yeah, done on a 4x4. Ruin 4x4. Oh yeah. Scope.